Hi guys, do you want to spend your crypto like cash? In this video, I'll show you how to create your virtual card step by step. Or if you don't have virtual card for online shopping, watch this video until end. For today's video, I select Bybit Exchange to create our virtual card. Now you can see that Bybit Exchange has taken the 4th place in the top ranked exchanges. All you need to create that virtual card is an ID card or driver's license or passport. It is only needed to create an account. Now I will show you how to create an account in Bybit Exchange. If you watching this video in your mobile phone, you have to go to Play Store and install it. After installing this, you need to open it. Then you have to give an email address or phone number to sign up for this. Give that referral code to get more gifts. And click the sign up button. After complete this puzzle to verify you're a human, then you will get a verification code to your email. After set a login password for your account. And click the sign up now button. Next step is KYC verification. Select EU country. Click verify. They recommended us to verify from UID card. Uploading document can't be overexposed, blurry, or overcropped. After uploading your document, you have to upload selfie of your. After completing your verification, after creating an account, go to the description of this video and click the link of Bybit Card. Note that if you are registered from link in description, you will get $10. Fill this information of your living address. After filling all the information, click the submit button. Now choose what will you use Bybit for. Employment status. Source of income. And your annual income. After, they will auto select our mobile number and email address, else give a phone number and email address. After 5 minutes, you will get a message for your email. Like that. Now you have successfully created a Bybit card. And that's everything you need to know about the Bybit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.